I imagine a whole colony of people, over 100 settlers, vanishing without a trace. Welcome to the mystery of the lost Roanoke colony. In the year 1585, a group of English settlers embarked on an expedition to establish the Roanoke colony on the eastern coast of what is now the United States. This venture, however, took a chilling turn. By 1590, every single settler had disappeared, leaving behind no evidence of their fate. The only clue? A single word, Croatoan, mysteriously carved into a tree. This enigmatic inscription has puzzled historians for centuries, sparking countless theories from assimilation with local tribes to devastating disease outbreaks. Yet with no concrete evidence, none of these theories can be definitively confirmed. Despite numerous theories, the fate of the Roanoke colony remains one of history's greatest unsolved mysteries. From a lost colony, we now move to a lost aviator. Amelia Earhart, the first woman to fly solo across the Atlantic, vanished mid-flight. Earhart was not just a pilot, she was a pioneer, a beacon of possibility for women in a time when skies were largely dominated by men. In 1932, she made a groundbreaking flight across the Atlantic, a feat that etched her name in the annals of history. But Earhart's ambition didn't stop there. 5 years later, in 1937, she embarked on an audacious attempt to circumnavigate the globe. However, on her way to tiny Howland Island in the Pacific, Earhart and her plane mysteriously disappeared. Despite the most extensive air and sea search in naval history, no trace of her nor her aircraft was ever found. Earhart's disappearance continues to fascinate historians and adventure seekers, with no definitive evidence of her fate. Our final historical mystery takes us to a notorious stretch of ocean known as the Bermuda Triangle. This mysterious region, spanning from Miami, Florida to Bermuda to Puerto Rico, has been the setting of countless inexplicable disappearances. Ships and planes have seemingly vanished into thin air, leaving no trace behind. One of the most famous incidents is the disappearance of the USS Cyclops in 1918, a massive naval vessel with over 300 souls on board. It set sail and never returned, with no distress signals or wreckage ever found. Then there's Flight 19, a squadron of 5 torpedo bombers that took off in 1945 for a routine training exercise. They too disappeared without a trace, deepening the enigma of the Bermuda Triangle. Despite scientific explanations that point to natural phenomena like rogue waves or methane hydrates, the Bermuda Triangle remains a symbol of the unexplained and the unknown. The lure of its mystery continues to fascinate us even today.